Now, dear students, today I will continue the lesson The 100 Dresses second part. So, now after reading the letter, what is the condition of the class? See here. A deep silence met the reading of this letter. It means when Miss Mason read the letter, after that deep silence in the class, everyone keep quiet and sat properly. Miss Mason took off her glasses, blew on them, and wiped them on her soft white handkerchief. After that, when Miss Mason completed the letter, she removed her glasses and cleaned with the handkerchief. Then she put them on again and looked at the class. After that, again she wore the glasses and looked towards the class. When she spoke, her voice was very low. But when she spoke at that time, the voice of Miss Mason was not very clear. She was speaking in very low voice because she was also very sad after reading the letter. I am sure that none of the boys and girls in room number 13 would purposely and deliberately hurt anyone's feeling because his or her name happened to be a long. Now, here Miss Mason said that I know that all the boys and girls of room number 13 will never hurt anyone and no any intention for wonders, and also the name of the wonders was very funny and long. That's why maybe according to Wanda everyone heard Wanda. But I know that all the boys and girls will never hurt anyone. Unfamiliar one, I prefer to think that what was said in thoughtfulness. And Miss Mrs. said that I know that whatever done, that is not done in intensely, but overall everything is unlucky and bad for us. I know that all of you feel the way I do, that this is a very unfortunate thing to have happened, unfortunate and sad both. And I want you all to think about it. Now, here, thoughtfulness means carelessness. And also, Miss Mason said that whatever I am feeling now, I thought that everyone feel like me. And whatever done in the class, that is not very good. We should never hurt to anyone. And this is not lucky for us. So, I thought that everyone think like me. Just suppose that I am very sad and I thought that everyone feels sad because at that time Wandas left the school and that is not good for us. The first period was a study period. Maddie tried to prepare her lesson, but she could not put her mind on her work. Now, first period was the period of study. It means at that time everyone present in the class, and in the first period everyone busy in study. But Maddie tried to prepare her lesson, but she could not put her mind on her work. Maddie was the student of room number 13, and she also tried to prepare her lesson, but she could not put her mind on her work. But due to the listen of the letter, after that Maddie was very disturbed and she never focused on the study and never prepared the lesson. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. and also she was feeling uneasy from inside. It means she was feeling pain in the stomach. True, she had not enjoyed listening to Peggy ask Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet, but she had said nothing. Now, Maddie thought that when Peggy was asking that how many dresses in your closet from Wanda at that time, Maddie should never enjoy it and she should try to stop Peggy that please don't do this. But at that time, Peggy was quiet and never say anything. She had stood by silently, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done worse. And also, Maddie thought that I am also very bad and like Peggy because at that time I never opposed Peggy but that please don't ask such type of questions from Wanda, and that's why I am also very bad. She was a coward, and also Maddie thought that I am also a coward. At least Peggy hadn't considered they were being mean, but she, Maddie, had thought they were doing wrong. She could put herself in Wanda's shoe. Now, Maddie thought that at that time Peggy don't know that what she was doing, either good or bad, but Maddie know that she was doing wrong thing, and at that time Maddie should try to oppose Peggy that please don't do this and also put herself at the place of Wanda, save Wanda.